Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Michelle Subiga. I'm 37 years old from Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. I'm single, blessed with 3 children, ages 17, 11, and 6. I have experience working as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 5 years. My duties are taking care of children, ages 2-year-old girl and 5-year-old boy. And also, I do household chores like cleaning the house, dishwashing, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. My personality is I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest. I have a positive attitude, and I am polite. I prefer to work alone to concentrate on my task and without distractions. My preferred job is taking care of children to help their homework and activities and helping their questions on various subjects such as math, English, science, and more. That's all. Thank you.